So now let's see how you can block and unblock people in Hangouts. So over here, you can see that I got 2 contacts, and let's say I want to block this person now, right here. So in order to block a person, simply go over here on to that person's name right here, click on it, and you'll see the chat message. Then you go over here onto the top onto settings, and over here you can see that you have an option called block and report. So let me just click on block right here. So here, if you just want to block out that person for some reason, then you just hit block. But if that person is abusing you of some sort, then you can also report that person out right here. Only report if there's a misbehavior from that user's side. Otherwise, the other user's account might be blocked. So now in my case, I'm just going to block out the person right here and click on confirm. Once I do that, you can see that the other person has been blocked out, so they won't be able to send you messages anymore, just like that. So now you don't see that person anymore. But let's say you want to unblock that person out, then you can go over here onto more option, go to settings right here, and then over here you can see that you have blocked people, just like this. So over here you can see that the other user has been blocked, so all of the blocked people will be here. And then when you're ready to have a conversation with that person, you can simply unblock them out right here, and then that person will be unblocked, so they will be able to message you out. So I'm going to go around into other person now and then just send you a message just like this. So I'm just going to say hi right over there, and then you can see that the other person is now able to contact to you again, just like that. So over here you can go and then around over here you can see that the person is not blocked anymore, so you can have conversation just like that. And that is how you can block and unblock people inside of Google Hangouts. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.